about to go out of town, so I just packed all of my skincare in this fancy travel bag. Now, make sure if you want this link, let me know, because I will link this fancy travel bag down below. But in all seriousness, I wanted to share this video because while I was just doing my skincare, I wanted to share the neck cream that I'm using because this is my all-time favorite neck cream. This is not the packaging, this is my little travel packaging. This is the neck cream by one of my favorite brands, Dermalect. Today only, it is on sale for like 45% off. Now, they have already discounted this price for today only, but I checked and my discount code takes an additional 20% off. So I will link this down below. If you were making your turkey and you looked at the turkey neck and you thought, man, that kind of resembles my turkey neck, this is really great to help firm up any loose, saggy turkey neck. Now, of course, it's not gonna completely get rid of it, but it will make a significant improvement in tightening and firming up the skin on the neck. And they also say that you can bring it up around the jowl area. So if you're starting to notice any sagginess or loose skin there, it's really great to help firm that area up as well. But I love this specifically on my neck because of crepey skin. When I use this on my neck, I notice that crepey, textured looking, kind of loose skin. It instantly disappears. And then of course, as I've continued to use it, the skin is just really nice and healthy and a lot more youthful looking than what it was before I started using this. So this is already a really great price as it is, but this is such a huge discount, and since it was a one-day sale only, I wanted to make sure I shared this. But since I've had quite a few people saying, Sherry, we know that you're an influencer or a YouTuber and you're always sharing different products that you love, people have said, would you share what you really use? So I thought, okay, well, let me share what I really use, which is what I share on my channel anyways. But I thought perfect timing since I'm about to go out of town. And I'm always afraid that they will lose my luggage because I have been on a cruise once, and when you check in your luggage, they will bring it to your room later that day. Well, there was this guy that I noticed like on day 3, he kept wearing the same clothes like every day. And I thought, well, I guess he just wanted to pack lightly. Come to find out, they lost his luggage. So he had to keep wearing the same thing every single day. And for that whole like 10-day cruise, he never got his luggage back. So I don't know what he did about skincare, but guess what? I am not about to go through that and not have my skincare for the whole cruise. So in this really expensive, fancy travel bag called Ziploc, I put my essentials in my little carry-on that I keep with me all the time. And these are the products I'm gonna quickly share them with you since I have had many people ask, what do I really, really use that I just can't live without? So one of the items is this neck cream by Dermalect, my absolute favorite. And I just transfer it into this smaller travel size, so I'm not bringing the whole jar of it. The other item that's in here, it's probably no surprise, my all-time favorite Holy Grail face serum ever. This is also by the brand Dermalect. What I like to do is to get the best results out of this neck cream, I will actually about 2 days a week, 3 days a week, and of course I had to work my skin up to it, I will put this, just a couple drops, not dropperfuls, I will put this on my neck as well. Of course I use it on my face, but you know, the neck skin's a little more delicate, so I had to work my way up to it on my neck, but I will put this on my neck first, and then I will put this on, and after using the 2 of these on my neck, I mean, the skin on my neck, it's not, you know, of course I have some fat here because I enjoy eating carbs at Thanksgiving, but at 51 years old, I don't have like that loose, wobbly skin, and I definitely don't have any crepiness. The combination of these 2, they really, really make a big, big difference in my neck. So these will stay with me at all times because I am not willing to risk having these lost in my suitcase. I'll share the last Dermalect product that's in here. This is their lash growth serum. I've already shared this before, so I will link that other video if you're interested. But all of the studies coming out now from eye doctors and dermatologists are saying stop using Revitalash, Grande Lash, all of those different lash growth serums that make your lashes grow super long because they have an ingredient in them that is pretty much melting off the fat around our eyes and making us lose that volume around our eyes. So if maybe you're looking in the mirror like I have this volume loss here. Of course, I didn't sleep well, so I have all this puffiness also. But if you notice that your eyes kind of look hollowed and you feel like, wow, maybe I need filler, it could be because of your lash growth serum that is basically melting your fat and the volume around your eyes. So I stopped using those lash growth serums, and this is a healthy lash growth serum that doesn't have that harmful ingredient. And you can't tell now because I have light lashes naturally, but if you watch my other videos, you will see that when I do put the mascara over top, my lashes are super ridiculously long with this, but they're super soft, super fluffy, and they don't fall out like they did with the other lash growth serums. And they also don't go in weird directions. They just grow really long and fluffy, and people constantly ask if I have on false lashes, but I don't. It is this lash growth serum from Dermalect. By the way, these are also on sale with my discount code. All right, so I also bring a face cleanser. I wouldn't say this is my all-time favorite, like holy grail, but it is one that I go to often because I don't like to spend a ton of money on my face cleansers. This is just one of the travel sizes by CeraVe. And then during the day, I like to use this one. You probably can't read it, but I'll pop everything up on the screen. This is by the brand Aven. This is their extremely gentle cleanser. This is an amazing milky cleanser that I put it on dry skin first and just kind of massage it in like a lotion, and then I rinse it off, and you feel like you've already done your skincare after you use this. Your skin just feels super hydrated and moisturized. This is perfect if you are someone who likes to use acids or vitamin C's or retinols. This is a perfect cleanser for the morning if you just want to stick with something nice and gentle, so that's why I always bring that with me for my mornings. I also bring a travel size of my Holy Grail spray water from the brand Aven. Now this isn't just regular water in a can. This is chock full of all kinds of minerals, and what's really interesting on their website, they have all these studies that they did showing how this healed the skin and healed different skin conditions. And this really is, it's very healing. If you are dealing with any issues with like retin-A flakies or irritation or burning, I will spray this on a cut, a burn, or scrape, or if my face is irritated, and this seems to heal it really quickly. And the other thing I love this for is if you're having hot flashes, this has such a nice light mist to it. It's not like a big blob of water on your face. But this is great if you're having hot flashes to just kind of mist it on and then go about your business, and it will cool you off instantly. For the evenings, I like to make sure my sunscreen and my makeup is taken off really well. So I also brought my all-time favorite oil cleanser. This has been an all-time favorite Holy Grail for probably 10 years now, so I always bring this little mini size with me. I also keep on my person my favorite vitamin C serum. I also have, I think I have a discount code for pretty much every single thing that I'm sharing, plus with Black Friday sales. Of course, a lot of these are on a huge sale, but again, this neck cream is only on this huge sale for today only. But this, I think I have a 31% or 40% off discount code for this, and it's already very affordable for a vitamin C serum. But if you have hyperpigmentation or melasma, this has other ingredients mixed into it that are really great to help fade hyperpigmentation and melasma. So I love to use that in the mornings before I put on my sunscreen. If I can't control myself and I keep having too much dairy and drinking eggnog lattes like I have been doing and getting some little pimples around here, I bring my little mini size of my Paula's Choice beta hydroxy acid. I will just put a little bit on any blemishes, and it will help kind of go deep down inside that pore and clean out any of the blemishes. And I also like to put this on my nose, just in on the T-zone, maybe like once or twice a week. It will keep my nose just looking pore-free almost. I never get blackheads. It's funny that this is like a viral product now, but I've used this since I was 28 years old when it first came on the market, before anyone ever heard of this brand. And you know, I'm 51 years now, so I've used this a very, very long time. Also by Paula's Choice, you can't read the label. Now I wanted to have this in a smaller size, but since it's almost empty, gotta have a moisturizer. This is a fantastic moisturizer that I've been using, and I believe this is on a huge Black Friday sale also. But if you are looking for a really good kind of richer moisturizer for the evenings especially, that's just gonna help seal in all of your skincare, this is fantastic for that. And then 2 products left, of course, in the evening. I always use my nightly retinol. I am not about to have this one stolen or lost in my suitcase. This is my all-time favorite nightly retinaldehyde. I just recently did another video on it, so if you want more information on why this is a holy grail, I will make sure I link that down below. But this is on sale 30% off right now. So if you are looking to up your skincare game and you want to help build your collagen, if you want your skin cells to turn over more rapidly to reveal that beautiful youthful skin underneath, and you're looking for a really good retinoid that's not going to cause irritation the way prescription retin-A can, but you want those same results that prescription retin-A gives, I used prescription Retin-A for over 20 years, 22 years I think, and this right here gives me better results than when I was using my prescription. This is a holy grail retinol. And finally, I always like to have an eye cream with me. Now, of course, you could just put your face moisturizer on, but I like to use a separate eye cream. This is one that I love for day and night, but specifically I love this during the daytime because this has my favorite ingredient, superoxide dismutase, the same ingredient that is in this face mist that I love. Now this is too big for me to keep in this and I didn't have a little container for it. This superstar ingredient that's in here is in this eye cream, but this is a peptide eye cream that is really great if you deal with any puffiness, fine lines and wrinkles, dark circles. It is super duper hydrating, and it just gives your under eye area really pretty glow. So it's really pretty during the daytime to use underneath makeup. And I also have a 31% off discount code for this brand as well. Also, if you are doing any Black Friday shopping, I know of some huge Black Friday sales. Some of these sales are up to 80% off. So I will make sure I link the biggest Black Friday sales down below if you wanted to take advantage of purchasing any new beauty items. If you wanted to see another video of why this is my all-time favorite Holy Grail retinol and why this is 11 times faster working than any other over-the-counter retinol that you can get, and why I think this performs so much better than prescription strength Retin-A, I'm going to pop that other video up here if you wanted to click on it and check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you in the next video.